I need a replacement battery for my iGen4500df generator.
Who makes your generator? How old is it?
Westinghouse iGen4500df.
How long has this been going on with your Westinghouse generator? What have you tried so far?
I need a new battery.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Yes. Sell me a replacement battery.
Hello, my name is I am going to assist you with this. We are a help site only, we do not sell parts. The battery you need for this genset is a group YT5L. An alternative number is or another is YB5LB. You can get one at your local battery specialty store, such as Batteries Plus, or some small engine shops or motorcycle shops may stock them. Another place you can check is your local farm supply store, such as Rural King or Tractor Supply. You can also order them online from a number of places, such as these: https://www.batterystuff.com/powersportsbatteries/si5al.html https://www.amazon.com/uasa-um225lb-yb5lb battery/dp/b000gztb0e https://www.batterymart.com/pb5lb dry charged battery.html. You can also order one directly from Westinghouse by calling them at ###. Was this what you wanted to know?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.